Iran don hold big funeral for more than 60 pipo with dia top military commanders and nuclear scientists wey die for di 12 days fight with Israel. Jeff Bezos and Lauren Sanchez wedding don shut down Venice for 3 days as celebrities full everywhere. Na small for inside today tori be dat. Na Pidgin Tori Global be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya, make we enter the gist for today. Iran don do big state funerals for more than 60 pipo, including top military commanders and nuclear scientists wey die during di 12-day fight with Israel. For Tehran, coffins wey get Iranian flag and photos of the dead commanders dey arranged with plenty crowd for Engelab Square. The wahala ends with ceasefire this week after US bomb some nuclear sites for Iran. Among the people wey dem bury na Mohammad Bagheri, the highest-ranking military officer and the chief of staff of Iran Armed Forces, Hossein Salami, Commander-in-Chief of the Islamic Revolutionary Guards, plus nuclear scientists like Mohammad Mehdi Tehranshi also dey among the dead. Crowd wey wear black dey shout slogans, wave flags and hold photos of the dead people. Whereas US President Donald Trump don talk say e go absolutely consider bombing Iran again if dem suspect say Iran dey try enrich uranium too much. Trump also insult Iran Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, say e dey lie say Iran win the war with Israel. Trump even talk say e know where Khamenei dey hide and claim say e save am from death. Iran Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi admit say the US and Israeli bombings do serious damage to Iran nuclear sites. Iran Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi don talk say if Trump really wan do any deal, e suppose drop the disrespectful and unacceptable way e dey talk to Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. The statement no shock anybody wey sabi Iran well. For Iran, Khamenei no be just religious leader, na the oga of everything. Constitution talk say e be like political leader, military leader and na the head of state. For Shia belief, dem see am as representative of the 12th Imam, so e get big spiritual role. Many Shia people, even outside Iran, dey follow im word. Pipo wey sabi dis kind structure go always careful make dem no dey publicly insult am or call am liar. United States President Donald Trump don talk say e believe say ceasefire fit happen for Gaza between Israel and Hamas within 1 week. Trump talk dis one on Friday when reporters ask am, say e dey hopeful after e don talk with some pipo wey dey try arrange the truce, but e no gree talk who dem be. Reporters from Jordan talk say Trump comment go be good news for the people of Gaza wey dey suffer bombing and hunger, but she caution say no proper negotiation dey happen now for the region. She explain say talks about ceasefire increase after Israel and Iran do their own ceasefire, but Israel no really wan end the war now because the prime minister go risk plenty if e even suggest am. Reports talk say Netanyahu fit need agree to ceasefire to get new normalization deals with Arab countries wey the Trump administration dey push. Hamas side dey insist say Israel must stop the war for Gaza and withdraw from places wey dem seize after the last ceasefire break for March. Dem also want make US guarantee say talks go continue and say Israel no go break ceasefire again if dem need more time to negotiate. Dem don arrest 9 Israeli settlers wey cause trouble for the occupied West Bank village of Kaf Malek. Report talk say the settlers attack Israeli military reservists wey respond to riot for the village on Friday night. Local news talk say the settlers beat, choke and throway stones for the soldiers. Dem even cut police car tire and try jam officer with motor. Some soldiers get small injuries. Earlier for Wednesday, settlers don already enter Kaf Malek under soldier protection, clash with locals and kill 3 Palestinians. Israeli media don report say soldiers for Gaza bin get order from oga dem to shoot unarmed Palestinians wey dey find aid. The Israeli government don order investigation to check if e be war crime. Gaza government media office talk say at least 549 people don die and over 4,000 injured as dem dey wait for food aid from the Israeli and US-backed Gaza Humanitarian Foundation since May. Harris talk say some soldiers confess say Dem fire machine gun from tanks and throw grenade for crowds wey no pose any threat. One soldier tok say e be like killing field for where dem dey, with up to 5 people wey dey die everyday. Israel military dey continue dia attack for Gaza, even dey target places wey dem tok say na safe humanitarian zone, especially Al-Mawasi for southern Gaza. Since today morning, dem don burn 2 makeshift tents wey kill at least 4 Palestinians and injure 6. Yesterday evening, strike for Gaza City bury at least 15 tents. Rescue people still dey try bring out bodies under sand. The attack don make people for Gaza dey fear say nowhere dey safe again. Israel say dem go continue the war until dem finish Hamas, but na civilians dey suffer the wahala pass. UN Agency for Palestinian Refugees (UNRWA) don talk say health sector for Gaza dey suffer well as plenty hospitals don spoil and dem no fit get enough medicine and fuel. Dem say the fuel wahala don reach serious level. If fuel no enter quick, e fit make life-saving and important services for the area stop to work anytime soon. Israeli military don talk say dem believe say dem intercept one missile wey come from Yemen wey trigger air alert for the country. Dem say attempt dey to stop the missile and e likely say missile defense system don drop am. The attack na the 3rd one wey Yemen-based Houthis don launch go Israel side since Israel and Iran agree ceasefire last week. For Budapest this Saturday, Pride March go still hold despite say Hungarian Prime Minister Viktor Orban dey threa ten LGBTQ activists say dem go face legal wahala. Organizers dey hope say e go get record crowd even as conservative politicians and police dey try stop any show of pro-LGBTQ support. Police don ban the event based on a new child protection law wey tok say dem no go allow gathering wey dey promote homosexuality. Orban still tok say even though police fit stop the march, Hungary na civilized country so e no go reach physical wahala level, but anybody wey go fit face legal punishment. Attendees fit pay fine reach €500 and police fit use facial recognition to catch dem. Organizers fit even get 1-year prison sentence, whereas EU Equalities Commissioner Hajat Labib and plenty European Parliament members dey Budapest to support the march. Budapest Mayor Jegli Karasoni don talk say as City Hall dey co-organize am, police no need to approve am and say nobody suppose fear punishment. And the last one for today, Venice don turn celeb hotspot as Amazon founder Jeff Bezos marry Lauren Sanchez for lavish wedding wey last 3 days. Big names like Oprah Winfrey, Orlando Bloom, Kylie Jenner and Ivanka Trump dey among the crowd wey waka for the Italian city on Thursday and Friday. Dem plan end the celebration with big party on Saturday wey go get hundreds of guests, but the wedding still attract protests from locals wey dey vex for too much tourism plus climate change activists. Sanchez, wey be 55, rock lace Dolce & Gabbana culture gown for the ceremony. Dey smile with Bezos, wey be 61 years, as dem pose for pictures wey dem post for Instagram. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Guffey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.